Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea bags, full guide. Start by steeping strong tea for 10 minutes, then cool rapidly in an ice bath to lock flavor. Use a 1:4 tea to water ratio when measuring, then spoon into disposable or reusable bags. Press out air, seal with string or clip, and chill several hours before serving over ice with lemon or simple syrup to taste. Gather tea leaves, filter papers, or bag material, a kettle, and measuring tools before you begin. For stronger iced tea, use double the amount of tea and prefer black or oolong for bold flavor. Steep at just off boil water for precise extraction, then strain into a pitcher and add sweetener while warm so it dissolves efficiently. Cool quickly to preserve brightness, then portion into bags with friends. Quick recommendation: if you like this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes today. Robot Face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup after tea prep easy and oddly satisfying. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider this helpful kitchen companion. Thanks for supporting the channel and sharing feedback. Now let's get back to the video. Try cold brew for a smoother, less bitter iced tea by steeping leaves in cold water for 8 to 12 hours in the fridge, then strain. For quick strong brew, make a concentrate with 3.5 times the tea and dilute later. Store sealed iced tea bags in a cool, dry place up to 2 weeks, or freeze portions in ice cube trays for easy chilling without dilution, and serve chilled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.